Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to log out of Squarespace. Whether you're switching accounts, working on a shared device, or simply want to secure your site after finishing your work, knowing how to properly log out is essential for keeping your account safe. Also, if you're interested in business tools that could improve your workflow, I've dropped a few links in the description down below. Let's start by opening your web browser and navigating to squarespace.com. This will be your starting point regardless of where you currently are in your Squarespace journey. Once the page loads, you'll want to identify which view you're currently in, as the logout process differs slightly depending on whether you're on the home page or inside your dashboard. If you find yourself on the Squarespace homepage, the process is quite straightforward. Look towards the upper section of the page where you'll see the Get Started button. Right near this button, you'll notice your profile icon. This is typically a circular image or avatar representing your account. Go ahead and click on this profile icon to reveal a drop-down menu with various account options. From the menu that appears, you'll see several choices related to your account management. Look for the option that says Log Out and click on it. This action will immediately sign you out of your Squarespace account and redirect you back to the main login page, ensuring that your account information remains secure. Now, if you're working inside your Squarespace dashboard instead, the logout process follows a similar pattern but with a slightly different location. When you're in your dashboard, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the screen. Here, you'll find your profile icon positioned near the account settings area. This icon serves as your gateway to account-related actions while you're managing your site. Click on your profile icon in this location. Just like before, a drop-down menu will appear presenting you with various options. From this menu, locate and click on Log Out. This will safely sign you out of your account and return you to the Squarespace login screen, protecting your site from unauthorized access. And there you have it. You've successfully logged out of Squarespace, whether you were on the home page or working in your dashboard. This simple security practice helps protect your website and content, especially when using shared or public computers. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.